Hello students, in this video we are going to study the cross multiplication method to solve any linear equations, pair of linear equations. Previously in the previous tutorials we have studied the substitution and elimination method. Let us discuss the cross multiplication method. The standard form of linear equations is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. As we know, a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. a1, a2 are the coefficients of x, b1, b2 are the coefficients of y and c1 and c2 are the constants. Now to use this cross multiplication method, what we are supposed to do is first we write x upon. Whenever we are writing for x, what we do? We hide the x and write the remaining parts. That is b1, b2, c1, c2. Like this we arrange the coefficients. So we have written b1, b2, c1, c2. Then we write for y. Below y we write, as we are writing for y, what we will do? We will hide the y part. So whenever we hide this, what remains is now c1, c2 and then a1, a2. So we will write c1, c2, a1, a2 like this. Equal to 1 upon. Whenever we are writing 1 for 1, we will hide the constants. So here you can see what we are remained with is a1, a2, b1, b2. So a1, a2, b1, b2 like this we have arranged the coefficients. Okay, so x upon and y upon and all these three ratios we equate with one another. Then while solving, in the next step what we do is we have to cross multiply. Cross multiply first in the downward direction. Okay, so whenever we multiply this in downward direction first, b1 into c2. So b1 c2 minus, okay, minus then upwards multiplication. So b2 into c1. So b1 c2 minus b2 c1 like this we write. Similarly, in this case also, first downward multiplication, so c1 into a2. c1 a2 minus upward multiplication, so c2 a1. So c1 a2 minus c2 a1 like this we have written. Then 1 upon for this term also, first downward and then upwards cross multiplication. So we have written a1 b2 minus a2 b1 like this. Now in the next step what we do is we have to compare. As you can see, this part is a pure constant. So we compare this x with this constant part. So x upon b1 c2 is compared with this part, this constant term 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So when you take this denominator to that side, you will get x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon this a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this value will give you the solution for x. Similarly, when we compare for y and this term, so y will be equal to c1a2 minus c2a1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. So this is the method of cross multiplication for solving any given pair of linear equations. Let us take one example and solve a question by using this cross multiplication method. We have taken this question number 3 of exercise 3.5 of our textbook. The question says solve the following pair of equations by substitution and cross multiplication method. So we are solving here by the cross multiplication method. As you can see, this given pair of equations are not in the standard form. So first we bring these equations to standard form. We are taking this 9 to that side. So this becomes 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Similarly 4 to that side, it will give us 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now first step for cross multiplication method says arrange the coefficients. So we have written x upon. So we are hiding x. What is remaining with us is 5, 2 and minus 9, 4. So 5, 2, minus 9, minus 4 like this we will write. Y upon this y we have hidden. So it will give us minus 9, minus 4, 8 and 3. So minus 9, minus 4, 8, 3. Then 1 upon. So we will hide the constants. So we will get 8, 3, 5, 2. So 8, 3, 5, 2 like this we have arranged. Now start with cross multiplication. First in downward direction. So 5 into minus 4. 5 into minus 4 is minus 20 minus 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. So we have written minus 20 minus of minus 18 we have written in bracket equal to y upon. Again cross multiplication in downward direction. Minus 9 into 3 is minus 27 minus 4 into 8 is minus 32. So again in the bracket we have written. Again downward direction cross multiplication 8 2s are 16 minus 3 into 5 is 50. So 16 minus 15. When you solve this you will get minus 20 plus 18 which is minus 2. Minus 27 plus 32, which is 5. 16 minus 15 is 1. So now we have to compare. So x upon minus 2, we will compare with this constant. So x upon minus 2 equal to 1, it will give us x equal to minus 2. Similarly, now we will compare y upon 5 equal to 1. So it will give us y equal to 5. So x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5 are the solutions of this given pair of linear equations. I hope you understood this cross multiplication method. Please do solve some more questions from the textbook. One assignment will be uploaded for the same on the SS app. Please solve and send it back to the email ID which is written in the worksheet. Oh, thank you.